And Mr. Speaker, let's not personalize this. After you pulled down your tweet, and after Singoe had made the comments he made, I have taken time to listen to what Singoe was saying. Singoe did not attack the Senate. Singoe did not attack the Speaker. Singoe spoke to the mandate of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Singoe emphasized the oversight role of Parliament on matters of international relationship. So why a leader, in fact a house of sober leaders like this one, would want to belabor and blow that clarification from Singoe out of proportion, it beats my logic. What are we fighting Singoe for? Mr. Speaker, with your permission. What are we fighting Singoe for? I'm referring. What are we fighting him for? Let's call a spade a spade. Mr. Speaker, Singoe said the following things. He says, foreign policy of the Republic is the function of the national government. That is a fact. He said, Parliament's role in foreign policy is oversight on exercise of foreign relationship by national government. That is a fact. He said, it is Kenya's established and unchanging policy to remain consistent with the African Union on the matter of the Federation of the Republic of Somalia. What's wrong with that? Mr. Speaker, are we saying this Parliament want to push an agenda that is contrary to the position of the African Union on Somalia? We would be missing it. And finally, Mr. Speaker, Singoe said Somaliland, a region within the Federal Republic of Somalia, has a liaison office for commercial purposes in Nairobi. That means he was acknowledging that Somaliland is not a pariah. It already has been given an opportunity to deal with Kenya. I appeal to colleagues that we don't try to kill a fly with a sledgehammer. This is a non-issue. Let the PS of Foreign Affairs enjoy his freedom of thought, freedom of expression. Some of us have had to pay high prices for freedom of expression. Let us not use Parliament to intimidate civil servants. If we want to deal with foreign affairs, there is a substantive minister who we can call here instead of focusing on his civil servant who he can manage himself. Mr. Speaker, sir, Morocco, which is the issue that the member from Migori has raised here, is so important that they are also the giants of soccer in Africa. They have also produced some of the top athletes in this country. Those of us who have had an opportunity to go to Morocco, we know that there's so much we can learn, so much we can partner, so much we can benefit from by relating to Morocco formally. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I congratulate the Senator of Migori.